Yo, my bro done burnt him, now he's burning. Stupid kids ain't learning. Yo YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to install plugin mod menus on your jailbroken PS4. I'm going to be doing it through FTP. A couple people asked me, can I do it on my phone? You can. If you've got an FTP app on your phone, you can use your phone. There's a few things you're going to have to do on your PlayStation first. Go over to system settings, go down to network, view connection. This IP address right here is your PS4's IP address. You're going to need to get that. Next, you're going to need to enable FTP. So come over here, go to server settings, go to enable FTP client, enable FTP server. Make sure it's ticked, and it says listening on port 2121. You need this as well. That's the port number for this FTP. Then go to cheat settings and enable show title ID and set it to title ID and app version. And then when you come down to your games, whatever game you're installing a plugin mod menu for, this code right here, CUSA, and then the code, you're going to need this as well. Alright, now we're back on the PC. You want to type in your PS4's IP address where it says host on FileZilla 192.168.0.132, and then over at port you want to type in the FTP port, so it's 2121, and then press quick connect. Press OK, and here's your PS4 down here. You want to go to data, gold hen, plugins. You want to drag the plugin mod menu into here, okay? Then you want to go back one, press these two dots right here. Alright, next is plugins.ini. If you don't have this, it's completely fine. You could just make it with Notepad or Notepad++, anything you've got. Any text editor will do. I'm going to use Notepad++. Make sure it's a blank page. If you go to file, save as, type in plugins.ini and change the file type to, scroll up a bit, change it to all types and save it wherever you want. I'm going to save it on my desktop. When you press save, it'll create that ini file, look right here. Okay, once you've created the plugin.ini, right click it and edit with your text editor. You need your game version now, so mine is 03041. Make sure you put these letters before it as well. Casa 03041. Put a square bracket. Casa 03041. Remember, whatever game you're setting the plugin to, this will be, you'll be using a different code. This is for my version of Red Dead Redemption, so don't copy this code. Use your own game version. Underneath it, what you need to do now, where your plugins folder is, you need to direct it to it. So if we go back a couple, so okay, so you want to do /data/ and then you'll go into the data folder. Then you want to type gold hen after this. Gold hen. Oh, sorry. Make sure it's spelled exactly the same as the folder names, otherwise it ain't gonna find the plugin. And then you want to go inside gold hen. It's basically just the path to where the plugin is. You want to type in plugins. You want to type in plugins / and then the exact name of the plugin you want to load with this game version. So mine's RDR3 payload _ 132.sprx. What you want to do now is just file, save your plugins file, and you want to drop it here where mine is. Inside the gold hens folder, the root of it. Obviously I've just replaced mine, and yeah, that's it. That's how you install a plugin, and it's that simple. Once you get the hang of it, it's literally just dropping a plugin in here, putting your games version in here, and then where the plugin is. So if you want to add another game, you put the game version here, and then the directory, the path to where the file is. It's that easy. Once you get the hang of it, it's simple. Alright, let's try load up the game and see if it works.